Hello and welcome to my channel Mechanic Ops. Today we will discuss about vizag steel plant, and for more informative videos please do like, share and subscribe. The pic here you see is the aerial view of the vizag steel plant, and this is the logo of the vizag steel plant, and it's presented by Mechanic Ops. While coming to the topics we will discuss in this video are what is history of RANL? RANL means Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited. It is a Vizag steel plant is also known as RANL. And about what is steel plant and highlights of the steel plant, departments in steel plant, roles or hierarchy in the steel plant, and financial status and job opportunities. First, looking into the what is steel plant. Steel plant means the process of manufacturing or preparation of steel from wrought iron under, by undergoing different processes in the plant from the different mills and different plants. And the primary element in the preparation of steel is the hot metal. The hot metal is prepared from the wrought iron, and for about this hot metal we'll discuss in the later videos. The place at which all the process take place is known as steel plant or steel industry or steel mill. The pic here you see is the RANL main gate or Visakhapatnam steel plant main gate. Of the timeline of the Vizag steel plant, how it is. You move to the history, then you can see the timeline over here, and now we'll discuss it in a detailed manner. In the 1970, the Kurpam Zamindars donated 6,000 acres of land for Vizag steel plant, and in the 1917 April 1970 the government took decision to construct Vizag steel plant at Vizag. And in the 1980, November 1980, a detailed project report for a plant with a capacity of 3.4 metric ton per annum was prepared. And then in the year of in Feb 1981, contract was signed with the USSR for the preparation of working of drawing of coke ovens, blast of furnace and sinter plant. In the 1982 Jan, blast furnace foundation was laid and the township started to build. Then in the 18 Feb 9, 18 on the 18 Feb 1982, RANLS formed, which is known as Vizag Steel Plant formed. This is a brief history of Vizag Steel Plant RANL. While coming to the highlights of the Vizag Steel Plant, Visakhapatnam Steel Plant is only the shore-based Indian integrated steel plant with a rated capacity of 3.4 metric ton hot metal, 3.0 metric ton liquid steel, and 2.65 empty sealable steel. Hot metal means which is prepared from the blast furnace, and liquid steel which is uh, from the casting continuous casting department, and saleable steel means which is manufactured steel which is ready to transport into the different places for the for the for getting the income to the industry. This is the approximate data of the liquid steel, hot metal, liquid steel, and sealable steel. You can see the comparison above. Next, while coming to the departments in the RN or departments in Vizag Steel Plant. Firstly, first department are Director of Personnel, and then Director of Commercial, then Director of Operations, and then Director of Finance and Accounts, then Vigilance Departments. These are the major department which are basically the main department which control the Vizag steel plant, and which are like the pillars of the Vizag steel plant. Now I will let you know about the Directorate of Operation. It contains some major departments and auxiliary departments or supportive department which supports the proper working of major department and the steel plant too. And coming to the major departments come are mines, RMHP, CON, CPP, coke oven and coke producing plant, coal producing plant, sinter plant, blast furnace, steel melt shop SMS, and continuous casting machine CCM. Then lastly rolling mills. Then the rolling mills it is divided into three types: LMM, WRM, and MMSM. LMM means light medium merchant mill. WRM means wire rod milling. MMSM means medium merchant steel mill, structural mill. Next, while coming to the auxiliary departments, there are the n number of auxiliary departments which support these major departments. They are calcinating and refractory department, central maintenance electrical department, civil engineering departments, which is used for constructions, distribution network departments. These are used in electrical repair shop, electrotechnical laboratory, energy management department, and engineering shops and foundry, environment management department, field machinery department, information technology department, plant design, technical improvement cell, systems and procedures, budget plan and control, water management department, works contract department, traffic department, thermal power plant, structural engineering department, space management department, safety engineering department, roll shop and repair shop department, refractory engineering department, research and development department, quality assurance and technological development department, production planning and monitoring department. These are the major auxiliary departments which support the major departments. We will discuss about in detail about all the departments in the upcoming videos. Now we will look about the layout of vizag steel plant or RINL. Now we will understand about the working of the steel plant. First, the coal raw materials like coal, dolomite, iron ore will come to the steel plant to different ways like waterways and roadways, railways. From first the coke is come from the Australia to the waterways and then it is sent to the RMHP coal handling plant and then the coal is sent to the coke ovens and the coke RM ore is sent to the ore handling plant. The ore handling will send the materials to the center plant for crushing and then crushing then it is sent to then it will heat the iron and make into the lumps and then it will send it to the blast furnace and the blast furnace will send it to the SMS. Here the iron is manufactured. Here the iron is prepared and the iron is converted to steel here as in the SMS or SMS and the SMS to CCD like continuous casting department. Here the steel will be manufactured and then it is sent to the LMM to prepare the blooms and here the blooms are prepared and then here the blooms is converted into the billets and by rods to bars to in different processes using different methods and then it is sent for the transportation or but to the nearby small industries to get the money to the steel plant and for if any part here is broken or it should work continuously so if any part is broken we'll have the different auxiliary departments like here the CMS foundry department S&F department engineering shops and department for This is mainly the steel is how the raw materials is converted into the steel, and the steel is transported to the various places. Up to now, we had seen about the work, understood about the working of the Vizag steel plant. Now we will look about the up to now we had seen about the Directorate of Operations. Now we will see about the Directorate of Personnel. And the the things which comes under Directorate of Personnel are Personnel Department, Corporate Personnel, Central Employee Relations and Plant Personnel, and Legal Affairs, Management Services, Training and HRD, Township Administration, General Administration, Medical and Health Services. These all comes under the these are all comes under the Directorate of Personnel. Law. Look for the Directorate of Commercial. Under the Directorate of Commercial, Marketing Department, Materials Management Department. These two will come under the Directorate of Commercial. And while coming to the Directorate of Finance and Accounts, the Director of Finance and Accounts looks after finance and accounts and corporate strategic management. And while coming to the Directorate of Projects, the Directorate of under the Directorate of Projects comes under Design and Engineering Department and Construction Department, Contracts Department, Project Monitoring Department, and last finally Vigilance Department. Now we'll look into the job opportunities. They are mentioned above. Job opportunities are first look about the apprentice. Apprentice is done after the completion of the diploma. Diploma mostly the diploma after the completion of the diploma to get the work experience as a industrial professional. They will took the apprenticeship and then work. It is one of the job opportunities. And after the completion of the graduation, we can apply to the Vizag Steel Plant for the Vizag Steel Plant for the as a graduate trainee. And here comes the non-executive staff. Non-executive staff comes under sweepers, like unskilled labor and semi-skilled labor comes under the non-executive person, and comes under the executive skill labor comes under executives or professionals which who who are having the higher educational qualification and better personal experience, better industrial experience. And finally the contract based employment. The contract based employment means it has no constant service period, and it is based on the projects. These are the job opportunities. And now we'll look about the hierarchy in the Vizag steel plant. The hierarchy first will come under after the completion of the graduation will come under first opportunity will get as a management trainee. After cracking the gate exam, we can apply for the Vizag steel plant, and then if we are selected, then we will appointed as the management trainee. And after completion of the 2 3 years service period, then uh, you will be promoted to the junior manager, and after some time to the assistant manager, and then to the deputy manager, and then to the manager. After that senior manager, then to the assistant general manager, which is known as AGM, and then to the deputy manager, then to the general manager, then to the enforcement directorate, and then to the director, to the chief managing director. This is how the hierarchy increases while going down to the and then to the present financial status of the Visakhapatnam steel plant. The highest turnover of 28,215 crores in the financial year of 2021 to 2022. It is the 57% more when compared with the previous financial years, and it is the highest turnover of Visakhapatnam steel plant's inceptions. but due to the proposal of privatization, the steel plant has a loss of 7,000 crores. But thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos and interesting topics. Please do comment your requirements. Thank you.